Hi everyone, I am Ellie Tabugok and I am going to teach you on how to create a blog using Wix. First, open your available browser like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome or Opera, anything that there is available on your laptop or PC. So I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox for browsing. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for faster and easier searching. So we're gonna type wix.com. Click this one. So you can show or you can see. If you don't have any account on Wix, you can sign up. Click sign up. But if you already have an account, you can choose continue with Facebook or continue with Google, or type your email and password here. See here, continue with Facebook, and here I continue with Google. Now I'm gonna type email. Google. Click sign up. And wait for the site. So as you can see, there is you can choose any types of blog. What kind of website do you want to create? So you can see business, online store, photography, music, designer, restaurant and food, accommodation, events, blog, beauty and wellness, portfolio and CV, and other. So we're going to click blog. There you can see two types of creating your website. There's creating your website with Wix ADI or artificial design intelligence, and create your website with the Wix editor. So we're going to create with Wix editor. Click start with Wix editor. So click the blog website templates below. Choose for example, fashion blog. So we're gonna create with fashion blog. Okay. So because we're going to edit the blog, so we're gonna click edit. Oh, sige, lagot trabaho. So, sige. So very late start now. Wow, very cute. Mm. So first, going if you're going to edit or change the background, click background, and if you're going to add post, add anything, add page, add blogs, um, favorite, can add text, image, gallery, and so on. And application market, and then my uploads, like you can upload your pictures and videos here and save this up and put on your blog post, and then my blog. After editing, you can click publish, and after publishing, there you can see your domain. And here you can change the domain name. It is my site, and you can choose if you can anything like puppy or chick. Okay, we're going to save and continue. Here you can see it is saving. It is done already. And then if you want to edit more, click edit and then publish and then save again. So we're going to click done. Congratulations, you have created your own website. And then click done. So it's your own blog. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.